Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Quana. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe before leaving. So I'm going to jump right into this. Today we're dyeing my hair blue, so I went ahead and started by spraying some Got2b glued spray on the wig to protect it from tinting the lace, and then I'm showing you the colors that I'm using. So I'm using 4 colors. 3 of the 4 are from Tintation, and I will leave all 4 colors in the description box for you. So I'm starting by having my hair in 4 sections clipped away, and then we are going to do all of the roots of this in the darkest shade, which is this royal navy shade. So again, starting in this back section, and then I'm just going to do the perimeter, and then you'll see that I start making diagonal parts all the way down the section and just doing about an inch out from the roots in this color. So when I got to the front 2 sections, you'll see in a second that I switched into a different brush. So I'm still going to start by doing the perimeter of the section, and then I'll go in with a smaller 2-sided brush that has a comb and a little brush. And I'm pretty sure this brush was also from Kiss. And I just used that when I was doing the hairline because, again, I was really afraid of like getting the dye on the lace and it looking weird. So I started to be a little bit more careful when I got to the front, again because the front actually has lace and the back was just wefts. So yeah, I took really small sections and just painted those through. Now I'm just showing you what it looks like with all of the roots done all the way around, and then in this next clip I'm going to just go ahead and part out like basically the whole back half of this, and I'm just going to do that whole back section in that royal navy shade. So after I got the back section done in that royal navy shade, this is where the other 3 shades come in. So I basically just start pulling out chunks of the hair and alternating the next 3 colors. So this first one that I'm using is Mystic Silver, and I was actually really surprised at the way that this looked when I was doing it. But yeah, basically I just took different sections of the hair and started painting on the different colors in an alternating pattern, making sure to go back over the royal navy blue and kind of drag it down to blend the 2 shades together so that there wasn't a harsh line. And then you'll see I'm moving on to my next shade, which this one is the Aquamarine. And so then after that one, I'll move on and do the Paprika, which kind of looks like a purplish shade. You'll see when I'm doing it, but then it came out different at the end. So yeah, I'm just going to let y'all watch as I alternate those colors throughout the rest of the hair. You'll also notice that I'm not using anything to separate the hair. If you are worried about the colors bleeding, you can definitely use saran wrap and just place that in between each section to make sure that the colors aren't bleeding, but I didn't really have that problem. So this is the hair once all of the color was in it, completed. So I pretty much just left this on the hair to sit for about an hour, and then I went ahead and rinsed and washed. So I rinsed it in cold water, and then this is what it looked like after rinsing and washing. So rinsing it in cold water, make sure that the colors don't bleed while you're washing. So make sure to do that if you do any colors like this.
Good morning. So last night I let the hair air dry because I was just too tired to do anything to it. And then this morning I got up and just used a blow dryer and blowed through this, and then I put it on my head. Anyways, this is the color, what it's looking like. I actually love it, but I definitely didn't plan for it to be as light as it is originally. But as I was doing this yesterday, I was really liking the little light pieces. So yeah, this is where we are. So as y'all can see, I missed some little root pieces in the front. I was very nervous about doing the roots because I didn't want to stain the lace, and so I guess in the process of that I just kind of missed a few little pieces here and there. I'm probably just gonna deal with the roots looking like this for now, and maybe later I'll go back in and correct those pieces. So I'm gonna straighten it and maybe I'll curl it. We'll see. Is this boring if I don't do anything to this? Anyways, I'm done. This was so much fun, and I kind of want to just like dye every wig that I have now. So if there's another color y'all want me to try, let me know in the comments, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.